Trezor Suite Crypto Staking Platform Review. Usage Experience. Links to Trezor Suite are in the description. Trezor Suite is the companion software for Trezor hardware wallets, designed to help users securely manage, stake, and grow their cryptocurrency portfolio. For those who value security and ease of use, Trezor Suite offers a seamless experience that combines top-tier protection with powerful staking features. One of the most compelling features of Trezor Suite is its integration with Trezor hardware wallets. These wallets are known for their industry-leading security. When you stake through Trezor Suite, your private keys remain offline, completely under your control, making this one of the safest ways to stake assets. You can stake coins like Tezos, Cosmos, and Tron, with more coins expected to be added in the future. The platform allows you to delegate your assets to trusted validators, ensuring that your staking rewards are maximized while keeping your funds secure. Trezor Suite also provides real-time tracking of your staking rewards, giving you full transparency over your earnings. The staking process is straightforward and easy to use, with a simple interface that guides you through every step. You can manage your staking portfolio, check rewards, and make adjustments, all in one place. Trezor Suite does not charge any additional fees for staking. The only costs associated with staking are network transaction fees. Your staking rewards are automatically credited to your account, and you can choose to reinvest them or withdraw them at any time. This makes Trezor Suite an ideal platform for those who prefer a hands-off approach while still having the flexibility to manage their assets. Overall, Trezor Suite is perfect for users who prioritize security and simplicity in their staking experience. If you're already using a Trezor hardware wallet and want to start staking securely, Trezor Suite is an excellent option. Check out the links in the description to get started today.